This is the first lesson of Spanish. This is the alphabet. So what is the Spanish alphabet? It's actually pretty similar to the English one, but there are a few minor differences here. All the original English letters return, but we have 4 new ones. We have che, eye, ñ, and r. And let's see what all of these sound like in Spanish. So A translates to a, B translates to be, C translates to se, che, which we've already gone over, D translates to de, E translates to F translates to fe, G translates to he, H translates to h, I translates to I, J translates to jota, K translates to ka, L translates to L, M translates to M, N translates to N, O translates to O, P translates to P, Q translates to Q, R translates to R, the double R translates to R, S translates to S, T translates to T, U translates to U, V translates to V, W translates to W, X translates to X, and Y translates to Y, and lastly Z translates to Z. So now you have everything you need to know to start pronouncing Spanish words. I'll see you in lesson 2.